In this video, we are going to install Naoevo's RGB LED round pod lights. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. These pods are 4.5 inches round. Has an IP68 waterproof rating. Gives out 1400 lumens at 65 kelvins. 1.9 inch thick aluminum housing with fins in the back for optimal cooling. The front has a rigid PC lens and frame. Included are your adjustable mounting brackets. If you're interested in these products, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. So we're going to go ahead and install these lights on the bumper of a 2010 Ford cargo van. I bought low profile mounting brackets to make it easier, and I've also extended the wires so I can reach my switch panel. Now I'm going to go ahead and attach these brackets to the bumper. So that's how they look mounted on. Simply attached to the bumper. Then I'm going to go ahead and attach the other side. Here are the lights all mounted up. Now we're going to go ahead and connect it to our switch panel. So here is my switch panel. I'm gonna go ahead and get the two red wires from my light. Go ahead and hook them together, twist them together, and then put it into one of these switches. Now we're gonna go ahead and get the black wires, the ground, and we're gonna go ahead and twist them together. And then I'm gonna go ahead and ground it to this bolt right over here. Then I'm going to get the yellow wire from both lights, which was extended with this red wire, and connect it to a different switch. Alright, now that's complete. We're going to go ahead and cover up the panel. Now it's all connected, wires are all tucked in and secured away. Let's go ahead and give it a test. Alright, here's the white lights. And here we have your chasing RGB lights. and you can have it both on at the same time. If you have not done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.